This is grating. I have a grater, a small piece of cheese that fits the child's hand, a plate, a spoon, and a container. I will put the grater on the plate. I will take the piece of cheese and start grating on the small grater. I will leave these pieces because it gets really tricky for the child to grate them. We don't want him to hurt himself. Now I will remove the excess of cheese from the inside. I will open my container, take my spoon and transfer the cheese from the plate to the container. I will scrape the rest of the cheese and put them in the container. I will close my container, clean up. Then I will wash my dish, my spoon, my grater, and my little cup. I will put my container with cheese inside the fridge. This is grating. You can repeat this activity as many times as you'd like.